Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy method to download TradingView onto your Windows PC or laptop. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, having the TradingView desktop app can make a big difference. It gives you faster access to your charts, keeps your workspace organized, and lets you avoid browser distractions. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get TradingView up and running on your computer, so you can dive into analyzing the markets with zero fuss. Let's get started. So first things first, we need to head over to TradingView's website. You can just open up your preferred web browser, could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whatever you like, and type TradingView.com into the address bar. Hit enter and you'll land right at their homepage. If you spent any time here before, you'll probably recognize their clean layout and the array of tools on display. Don't worry if you're newer, just follow along and I'll guide you every step of the way. Once you're on TradingView's site, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. There you should see a little icon for their chat assistant. It might look like a message bubble or a robot, depending on the latest design. Sometimes these assistants can seem a bit hidden, but just keep an eye out for that spot. Usually it's near where notifications pop up. Click on the chat assistant to open up the chat window. Now this might take a moment to load, especially if your internet's a bit slow, so don't worry if you need to wait for a second. Inside the chat box, all you need to do is type download TradingView. It's simple, just those 3 words. The assistant is programmed to recognize that request, so it'll quickly search through the resources and spit out a helpful link for you. This is much faster than hunting through menus or scrolling to the bottom of a web page to find the right download, and it's a neat example of how AI can make little tasks just a bit easier. The chat assistant should reply with the official TradingView downloads page URL. Take a moment to confirm that the link looks legit. Always good computer hygiene when downloading any kind of software. When you click on the link, you'll be redirected to a page where TradingView offers their desktop versions alongside other downloads. On that downloads page, you'll see a few different options, one for Windows desktops, one for Macs, and another for Linux. Now, if you're on a Windows PC or laptop, make sure to choose the desktop or Windows version. If you accidentally select Mac or Linux, don't worry, you can just hop back and pick the Windows option. It's really as simple as clicking your correct system's download button. The installer file will start to download. If you see a pop-up asking whether you want to save the file, just go ahead and confirm. Once the download finishes, you'll have the TradingView installer ready to go. That's literally it for getting the desktop app simple, fast, and it's all done through their chat assistant in just a few clicks. If you're someone who's always looking for the most streamlined workflow, you'll really appreciate how little friction this whole process has. So that's the whole process. Start at TradingView's site, use their chat assistant to get the download link, pick the right version for your computer, and you're good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and if you ran into any hiccups or have questions, just leave a comment down below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more straightforward guides like this. Thanks for watching and happy trading.